The 125th birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, as on January 23, 2021, is a time for celebrating the life of a man who dedicated himself to struggle for freedom for India from British imperialism. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose is one of the most celebrated freedom fighters of India. He was born on 23 January 1897 in Cuttack, Orissa Division, Bengal Province. His parents' names were Prabhavati Datta Bose and Janaki Nath. Bose joined the non-cooperation movement started by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, who had made the Indian National Congress a powerful non-violent organization. Bose was advised by Gandhi to work under Chittaranjan Das, a politician in Bengal. There, Bose became a youth educator, journalist and a commandant of the Bengal Congress Volunteers. His activities led to his imprisonment in December 1921. In 1924, he was appointed Chief Executive Officer of the Calcutta Municipal Corporation with Das as mayor. 29 March 1939 in Bombay, national leader Subhash Chandra Bose, also known as Netaji, got re-elected as the president of the Indian National Congress. In 1942, he earned the honorific title Netaji, meaning respected leader in Hindi. In Germany, by the Indian soldiers of the Azad Hind Fauj or the Indian National Army, and by the German and the Indian officials in the Special Bureau for India in Poland. Just a few years before India became independent, Bose vanished. Japanese Domi news agency said that Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose died on August 18 in a plane crash at the Japanese-controlled Matsushima Military Airport in Taihoku, now Taiwan. The incident left many Indians in a state of shock and disbelief. Even after 75 years, the controversy surrounding the death of Bose refuses to die down. A few believe that he did not die during the accident. Other theories say that he spent his last days in Uttar Pradesh, while some say he lived abroad. He died on 18 August 1945.